Hi students, now we will discuss one of the Python program to find the sum of squares up to n using while loop. Very first line of this program is non-executable statement. It won't execute in the time. It start with a hash symbol. It is called a single line command. Next line I am going to read the value from the keyboard for n. Innermost function is used to read the value from the keyboard and it will display the message enter the n value. At the end of that n value I am using \n. It will move the cursor to next line and it is waiting for the input. My input is 5. My input is 5. 5 will treated as a string. You should convert it to integer. Outermost int function is used to convert the string to integer. So it will convert and it will assign to 5 and assign to n. Now n value become 5. S is equal to 0, I equal to 1. Next while statement 1 less than or equal to 5. At the end of the condition you should use colon. S value is 0. 0 plus 1 into 1 1. It will add it to s. S will become 1. Then control comes here and it will increment the I value. I value 1 plus 1, it will become 2. Then control comes here and it will check the condition 2 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. Then control comes inside the loop. S is equal to s plus s value is 1. 1 plus I value 2. 2 into 2 4. 1 plus 2 into 2 4 means that is 5. It will become 5. S value become 5. Then control comes here. S value I value 2. 2 plus 1 it will become 3. And control transfer here and it will check the condition 3 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. S value is 5. 5 plus I value is 3. 3 into 3 9. 5 plus 9, that is S value become 14. Then control comes to next line and it will increment the I value. I value, current I value is 3. 3 plus 1 it will become 4. Then control comes here and it will check the condition 4 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. Then control comes inside the loop. S value is 14. 14 plus 4 into 4. I value 4. 4 into 4 means 16. 14 plus 16 it will become 30. Okay, then control comes to the next line. I value is 4. 4 plus 1 it will become 5. 5 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. Control comes inside the loop. S value is 30. 30 plus 5 into 5 25. 30 plus 25 it will become 55. S value become 55. Then I value will increment. I value, current I value is 5. 5 plus 1 6. Then control comes here and it will check the condition 6 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. Sorry, condition is false. Automatically control comes to the next line. It will print the message sum of square up to n. Then S value will print sum of square up to n. You may get result 55. Okay, we will run the program. Fi is used to run the program. Now I value is 5. What is the output we will see? That is sum of square up to n. That is 1 to n. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. That is value is 55. Okay, fine. Kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon. You may get my future videos.